it's just home, Joe. That's the sign for the...
Home.
What?
I said home.
You said home music.
No, that was when the music was playing.
I can still hear it. It's that child's...
We can tell they're home though, can't you?
Yeah, that cheeseburger didn't make it, Paul.
No, you owe me a cheeseburger.
There we go. Now the time is set to there we go. Now the time is set. Not the time. There we go. Now time is 13:20 on Saturday, the 8th of August 2015, and this is for.
This line's restricted to 105.
Is it?
13:17. 1 Papa 27. Great Northern service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. No, from London King's Cross to Edinburgh.
That doesn't go till 32. On Home Junction.
Expected pass 13:09. No, because we're only about a minute off Conington Junction.
Yeah, 13:09 I knew. That would have gone right now.
Alright, well.
It's in 13:20.
Yeah, but where? No, that would be for Conington. This will go a bit later because we're past Conington now.
This is called Thorn South.
It's not.
It's on the south side. Thorn's on the south side. So
It says home, for goodness sake, Joe.
Bullthorn and Scunthorn.
Where's the guy who likes to make up his random sirens, isn't it, Paul? Oh, Paul said something funny earlier, but I'm not going to say it on video. Paul can say it on video, but I'm not.
Don't you mean?
Huh?
Don't know what you mean.
You said earlier when Joe was making up his random alarm.
Didn't say anything.
Yeah, you did. Oh, this is a double line track.
Yeah, I know.
It's a cheese mark. What the hell, Joe? Why are you on about
Thank
cheese? You blamming cheese monster. Oh, damn. And we've got